Hello, sir. We are Triple Department from SNS College of Technology. Can you tell about your job experience?
Okay, good evening all. And myself, I'm Sudarshan. I'm working as a design engineer at Heritage India. And next to that, I think I'm a recent BE passed out from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College. And for past 9 months, I'm working as an engineer at Heritage India. So, okay, I think professionally, that's all about myself. And I think we can go on for next.
Okay, sir. Can you tell about your company?
Okay, coming to the point of Herotech India, we used to we used to do auto lines. That means a car body will be manufactured with automatic manufacturing lines. With the use of I think you are from Tripoli, right? You can understand that how robots are turning the world into automation. We used to produce those lines. We are not producing the body parts, but we are producing the manufacturing lines for major OEMs like FC, Stellantis, and Tata. Indian OEMs like all the Indian OEMs like MSIL, Maruti Suzuki, Tata, and next Toyota, and and American companies like GM and Stellantis, FC. So that's all about Hero Tech.
So may I
Thank
know
you, sir.
what's your goal before you entered to the company and after you came to this company?
Can you come over the question? I can't.
So may I know what's your goal before you entered this company and after you're coming to this company? What's your goal, sir?
Okay, goals. When I was entering into this company, my only goal was to take on a job. I want a job. I just want a job. That was my first goal when entering this company. But next to that, when I was going through these 8 months of period, I came to know that I'm in a technical part. I'm doing a technical work. We study BE and we make technical work. But we have to shift to managerial positions over the time. You have to be a man, not only a manager. You have to take over the company. You should not be an engineer for lifetime. You have to take the managerial part. So that is the major goal that I have today, for the next years, to be at the managerial roles at this company or maybe some other company.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you give some tips for refreshers?
Okay, for freshers, usually I used to train some juniors. If some juniors from diploma candidates will be arriving here sometimes for implant training or sometimes as trainee engineers. They used to be like some people used to have that limited mindset. They have the skill, but due to fear and due to comfort zone, they used to lack that understanding that they can do. They used to get feared for everything. If I do if I do some commands using some softwares, they used to like, how are you doing this? They used to ask, I can't do it. You're doing it. I can't do it. So you have to be out of that. Every person coming to a company or an MNC, they don't know anything. You may know SQL, you may know some electronics knowledge, electrical knowledge, but when you come to a company, especially to an MNC, you should accept that we don't know. We may know something, but that is not the real time. In the real time, they are not going to use that way. So you have to accept we don't know. Okay, and you also should know that we can learn. That is the mindset which is important. You should learn. That fear, that fear thing, I don't know what to do, that is the mistake. Many people fail due to that mistake. Please don't do that. You can learn anything. Even if you are zero, you can go to 100. That is possible. So don't worry when you start your career. Okay,
Thank
I
you,
think
sir.
next question.
Sir, your
Good evening, sir.
experience in
Good evening,
how,
ma'am.
Yes, Soundarya, please continue.
sir, your experience you.
Actually, I had several experiences in MNCs like Roots. At Roots, I had 2 months of internship as a trainee in the assembly sections where we used to do some improvement projects related to 5S and Muda. You used to Kaizen 5S. We used to some um how to say, I don't know whether you know 5S, right? 5S principles. They are improvement activities that we do at the manufacturing places and assembly places so that we improve the efficiency of the lines. And next to that, I came to Herotech. I came to Herotech as a design engineer, as an intern. I started as an intern, and for a few months I worked as an intern, and I excelled through that time. The way I learned. I don't know software. I was more interested in management part. I tried to make through management roles, but we also need the technical knowledge to make the management role. So I'm here as a design engineer now, carrying out on HWW projects, that is Herotech Worldwide projects, which is mostly working with American OEMs like GM and FCA, and also which